Hey guys, today we'll crochet with this gorgeous rosy green wool yarn and it's hand dyed by Monk. Just have a look on her shop. You will find all the material links in the description box. And let's get started. To crochet our half granny square shawl, we have to start with the usual slip knot. And then we have to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you join this chain to a circle or to a ring with a slip stitch, and then you chain 4 again. Then we crochet 3 double crochet through the ring. So you're going not through a stitch, you're going through the ring. So 1 double crochet, now the second, then third. Then you chain 2 for the corner, 1 and 2, and then again 3 double crochet through the ring, 1 double crochet, second and third, then chain 1 and crochet 1 more double crochet through the ring. Okay, so that's actually your first row, and you can see already your triangle. And to start the next row, we chain 4, then you turn your work and you crochet into this space, crochet 3 double crochets, then chain 1, and here into the corner you crochet 3 double crochets, then chain 2 for the corner, 1, 2, and again 3 double crochets. So that's again the next corner, and you will do this corner all the time the same way. You have always your 3 double crochets and 2 chain stitches. Then chain 1, and through the next space here 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 double crochet through this space. Yeah, that's actually how it works. So you will do all the time the same to have your shawl bigger and bigger and bigger. I will show you also the next row. So you start again with your 4 chain stitches. Then you turn your work again, and through this space here you crochet 3 double crochets. Then you chain 1, and through the next space again 3 double crochets. And you chain 1, and again the next corner, and you crochet 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets, then chain 1 to the next space, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and through the next space 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, and that's it. So you would now start again with your 4 chain stitches, and then again through this space 3 double crochets through this one, 3 here, 3 here. You have your corner. Here again a space for your 3 double crochets, here a space, and here a space. And you alternate all the time, and you crochet in rows this way to get your shawl bigger and bigger and bigger. Yes, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. Watch also other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified about new videos. And until next time, bye bye!